Hi, Deirdre here, going to show you how to do the Egg Nog sheet. And the main thing that's different on this sheet is that we're going to set the print area. So the first thing I'm going to do again is set my wrap text on, and that wrap things round and make them right aligned. Maybe change my column widths and then adjust the height if I need to by double clicking there. Now I'll merge and center that across the middle, increase it in size and change my font to something else. Okay. Increase it a bit. Okay, so this one here we've done before, so equals that star that, and press enter and click and drag down. In here, auto sum and correct and drag across, and then this one down here is this 863 divided by now the cell, I can't really see it very well, so I'm going to hit escape to come out of there. I'm going to increase my row height in here and go again. So equals the 863 divided by the 6. Okay, so that's fine. Now, my cell formatting is incorrect, and we saw this in the last video. So we would like these ones here to have 2 decimal places. So we click on the comma, which gives us 2 decimal places, and all of these ones here we're going to format as currency. And so that's fine. I might shrink this one down to make it a bit narrower. I'm going to put on my borders. I'm selecting like that, holding down Control and selecting in there. All borders, thick outside border. Okay. Oh, and this last one here needs to go to currency as well. So what I want to make sure is that it prints correctly. So if I go to print now, if I go to File and Print, you can see it's printing out the handouts as well. It's not exactly what I want. So if I come back out again, so I'm going to select the area I would like to print. So I've clicked and dragged from A3 down as far as D14, and then go to the page layout tab, and then go to print area and set print area. So it's page layout, print area, set print area. And now it knows to only select this area. So now let's go to File and Print. And you can see it's just printing this. Now it's pretty small at the moment. So I'm going to go in here to page setup. Okay. And here we can adjust the scale. So at the moment it's printing to 50%. I'm going to get it to print to 120% and click on OK. And you can see that's a lot bigger, it's a lot easier to read. I'm going to go to page setup again and change a few more settings. So on the margins tab, there was a page tab and a margins tab, and on the margins tab, I'm going to center on the page horizontally and vertically and hit OK. And you can see from top to bottom it's centered, and from left to right it's centered as well. So that's good. At the moment it's landscape, that means the page is wider than it is tall. We could try putting it to portrait. Okay, and you can see, yeah, you know, that looks reasonable enough. Okay, and then you can come back out again. And obviously I'd put on any shading, selecting, holding down Control and putting on your shading. And on the Home tab, you put on some shading. And then I think any other number that was calculated, I also made them slightly different and put on a lighter shade of blue on those ones.